So Molly, how do you feel?
Molly!
Sexy?
Want to tweet? Want to tweet? No. Want to tweet?
Let's...
You just stand back a bit. There. Want to tweet? Molly, you want to tweet?
Look at the camera, Molly. You're being the
Want to treat?
sexy.
Peanut time.
Go get her food.
Peanut time.
Go get her food. Molly, stay.
Stay, girl.
Let's see how you're looking. Oh yeah, Molly, you should eat that stuff. That's really good. Oh, you're barking at that. Look at that. She's barking at a squirrel. How she's barking at a squirrel? Molly, just stand pretty and look sexy for the camera. You're always sexy when I'm around. How was that, Molly? Was that good?
Oh, Alyssa. Look at Alyssa. She looks so young.
Yeah. Want to go outside? Put cheese in it? Yeah, let's make it cheese-filled doggy food. That would be the best, Molly. Let's see. Let's see what that dish says.
What do you do with jars like this? Throw it in the garbage or
That should say Sexy Beast of Diva.
you recycle it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should say Sexy Beast of Diva. Because you're a sexy beast. Yeah, I know, you're a sexy beast. Now it's time for you to dance. Goodbye, my people. Shut up.